What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have another cleaning video for you guys because I know you guys love these videos. So I am recording with my cell phone because I am out of the state, so I don't have my microphone with me, so bear with me. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning my room. I am picking up like dirty laundry on the floor and just kind of organizing my nightstand and putting everything away.
Do not bother. I know that it is hard to understand. I know I was born to do this. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. I said
So I am going to be washing my blankets today, so I will be removing all of the sheets and pillowcases and all of that stuff. And I do wash my blankets once a week. If you are new to my channel, that is definitely a weekly chore that I like to do.
we've been dreaming of. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming.
So right now I am just using some Target brand unscented laundry detergent. It's for sensitive skin because my husband's kind of wanting to use like a non-scent sensitive skin detergent, and it's been working well. And then I am using this E-Cover fabric softener. It is officially gone, but I really love it, and it's all natural and non-toxic. So my husband does have some luggage over there that I'm gonna be cleaning out because he did leave for the weekend.
Don't you worry. I know it is too little, too late. Everything is upside down and strange. But you are my ground tonight.
I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. It is in the scent Mint. I really like the smell. I got it for spring, and I'm just trying to use up all of my products so I can get the new fall products. I'm really excited about those. I'm gonna go ahead and get the pumpkin and apple because I'm just so excited to see what they smell like and have both options for whatever I feel like each day. And then you guys asked me a lot about my microfiber towels. I do have an Amazon store that I link all of the products in my home. I try and find all of the products in my home and the products I use and link it in my Amazon store for you guys, so it's easy to find right there. And I leave that down in the description box. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean out his suitcase and a lot of the clothes he didn't end up wearing. So I'm just gonna hang those back up, a lot of dress pants and dress shirts and stuff like that. So I like to do my makeup on the floor right now in front of this mirror. It's not as hot as doing my makeup in the bathroom, which it's been so hot lately. And it's just easy for me to kind of sit, listen to my Audible book, and go ahead and do my makeup. So right here I am using my Clean Packs glass cleaner, which I like a lot. I've been using that very often.
I would have told you I miss.
So right now I'm just dusting the top of our bedboard. It just kind of gets dusty up there, so I like to make sure I go and wipe it down at least once a week when I am changing out the blankets. And then the vacuum cleaner I'm using today is the Personic. I did team up with them before and did a giveaway with it. I like the vacuum cleaner. It's a cordless one, so it does make things easier. I like to use it upstairs where there's less dog hair, just because I found that the dog hair it really messes the vacuum cleaner up, so I use it upstairs on our carpet. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and put away all of our hygiene and all of that stuff from us getting ready for the day, putting everything back so I can clean off the counters. And then that teal basket right there is Ava's old Easter basket that I now use for all of her bath toys. So I just kind of repurposed it for a toy basket and that we keep in the bathroom there.
Now when I see that's mine.
So right now I'm going to go in with the Bamboo Anti-Back by Method.
See that Cutting through the edges of my soul and getting harder. It was.
And then that little tray there I actually got from Grove Collaborative. I have one downstairs. I keep my soap on and my lotion, and then I also have one up here. I just think it's so cute and simple and classy and really nice to have on the counter to hold stuff.
We're good, we never left the ground, but we need to take some weight off our shoulders. The fight isn't over.
So I'm going to go ahead and clean my shower. I use the Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner. If you guys could let me know what you guys use to clean off your glass window, I would love to know. I actually have to use like a tub cleaner, and then I also go in with like a Windex or a window glass cleaner to clean the rest of it. So I would love to know how you get that soap residue off that glass.
When you're around, I can say what I want to say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always? Stay up all night. We finally took some weight off our shoulders. So this fight is over. Can you stay with me tonight? I don't wanna be alone, and I need you here if you want to. I know my spark's been left in the dark sometimes.
So right now I'm just going to use my Dollar Tree toilet bowl cleaner that I'm still using up because I hate wasting things. But you guys know I'm not a big fan at all. And then I'm going in with the tops of the toilet with the Lysol wipes. I had an extra packet, so I'm going to use up this, and then I have to buy some new Clorox wipes.
Concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always?
So I am using my Rubbermaid mop. I really like this. It's like a spray and mop, so you just put the product inside their little container there, mix it with water, and you're good to go. So I am going to use this Mr. Clean floor cleaner, which I really like. It smells so good. It is definitely not the most non-toxic and natural at all, but I do like it for my floors, and that's what I use on my hard floors right now. So right now, Ava is dancing it out because we had some music playing, and I joined her. It was fun. She always dances. If you guys catch our Insta stories or follow me on Instagram, you probably see her dancing a lot on there. She just loves it.
It breaks my heart. No takes no calls from you. Without you, good shape is of your not that tough.
So now we're gonna go ahead and do a quick clean up in her room. We had toys everywhere. Her bed wasn't made. All of that good stuff.
Run away with me. It'd be worth the time. Run away with me. I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time.
Alright you guys, well thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. I hope you got a lot of cleaning motivation. Please comment down below and say hi so I know that you guys were here. Give me a like so I know you guys like this video, and subscribe if you are new. I will see you guys in my next video.